Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm with Rainy Day Restoration. Thank you for joining us on this video today. I want to talk real quick about some water damage processes and just kind of the stages that we go through on your average water damage. Excuse us, it's kind of hot in this facility that we're in today. When you have a water damage in your property, be it commercial or be it residential, call us. We'll come out here. We'll assess with different moisture meters, invasive, non-invasive, thermal imaging, temperature and humidity, and we take an overall view of what's going on, and we find out what's wet, how wet is it, where did it come from, um, was it a clean source, was it a dirty source, and we come up with a game plan for getting your property dry. The next stage is kind of a stabilization stage. We do some light demo, maybe pull the wet pad out from underneath any carpet, pull some baseboards, and we get some drying equipment, dehumidifiers and air movers in to start stabilizing your structure and get on your way to getting it dry. Next phase would be heavy demo. If it's needed, we get into exterior walls, maybe cabinets in the kitchen or bathroom need to be removed so that we can get concentrated pockets of wet materials open and available to dry. Final stages would be cleanup, verifying that everything's in fact dry. We come through the process throughout and take moisture readings, make sure that we're drying effectively and efficiently. And on the back end, we want to make sure all the materials are dry before we pull all the equipment. After that, there's a final cleaning, and your place is ready for restoration. So we hope that you don't have any water damage. We hope that you don't have any disasters, but if you do, give us a call. We've got people ready 24 hours a day to come help you, and you'll always have a project manager at some point during the process to come make sure everything's dry and everything's going well. Thanks, and have a great day.